Hello everyone, and this is one Hitachi ARM hard drives. We can see its model number is 721010A9E630. Now, if we run the logical scan on the data arrow, we get this partial sector access problem. So how to fix this partial sector access issue for this Hitachi ARM drive? Okay, this is a partial sector access. Let's click stop, and then we go back to this Hitachi firmware repair software. We can try to enter the software, and for the partial sector access issue, we need to back up one module. That is the PSHD, it's copy 0. We can back up. Okay, so we back up the plist. Then there is one function called common repair sector access interruption fix node from file, and we need to select the plist DFL task Hitachi modules copy 0 PSHT this one. Then we click OK. So this is to load the PSHT to RAM. We just check the log window to monitor the repair progress. So we just wait a little bit. Okay, so execution success. Right now we can try to scan